Mastering Linux with Linux Geek Lab.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Linux Geek Lab. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for all the Mac users out there. We'll be learning how to run Kali Linux live over USB on a Mac with an Intel CPU. This is a great way to explore Kali Linux without installing it on your system. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is download the Kali Linux live image. You can find it on the official Kali Linux website. I'll leave a link in the description below for easy access. While that is downloading, we'll also need a tool to create a bootable USB. For this tutorial, we'll be using BalenaEtcher. You can download it from their official website. I'll provide a link in the description as well. Flashing the image into the USB drive. Now, insert your USB drive into your Mac. Make sure to back up any important data on the USB drive as the process will erase all existing data. Let's open BalenaEtcher. Once it's open, you'll see a simple and user-friendly interface. Click on the Flash from File button and select the Kali Linux live image that you downloaded earlier. Now, click on the Select Target button and choose your USB drive from the list. Be very careful in this step to avoid selecting the wrong drive, as it will be formatted during the process. Once you've selected the target drive, click on the Flash button. BalenaEtcher will start writing the Kali Linux image to the USB drive. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Restart your Mac and hold down the Option key during the boot process. This will bring up the boot menu. Select the USB drive from the list, it called Windows, and Kali Linux will start running live on your Mac. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on running Kali Linux live on your Mac with an Intel CPU. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Linux Geek Lab for more tech content, and hit the bell for notifications. Any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring with Kali Linux. See you soon.